The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. It is time to get back in the bedroom, and Miles with Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to tell us all about a new treatment for ED. Welcome back, Miles. How you doing?
Thank you for having me back.
It's always a pleasure to have you here. So this new treatment, what is it?
So for 30 years, we've had pills, we've had needles, we've had injections, all coming with their own set of nasty side effects.
Yeah, it doesn't sound fun.
No, with the pill, you're going to take it for life. Let's be honest, it's not doing anything. Well, it's the future, and we have a technology now, not a pill or anything else that I mentioned, called acoustic wave therapy.
So how is that different from any other of these other treatments?
You will love it because it's pain-free, non-invasive, and recovery-free. It's actually a little machine that sits on the skin. You can see on your screen, gentle pressure waves travel through the skin into the blood vessels, helping them to expand, oftentimes repair themselves. So the biggest difference is we're treating the root cause of ED and trying to get you free of that dependency from the pill.
It is very different. And so in the case that the ED comes back after a treatment, does Wasatch Medical Treatment, do they have something for that to offer?
Well, even Ferraris need tune-ups once in a while, so, you know, the best machine. If that does happen, you know, men don't often need to come back, but if they do, we offer what's called tune-up treatments. Okay. So if you're paying attention now, it's a great time to call. If they start to fade, you come back in, we'll retreat you for free. Gotcha. That offer's good today.
Oh, cool. There you go. So you got to give a call. Now, this may sound like a dumb question, but how does a man know if he's a good candidate for this treatment?
Well, you know, some guys suspect it when they start having failures in the bedroom. You know, it does happen. But remember, guys, this is not just an older gentleman's problem. We treat patients from 20 to 90. Even if you start to suspect that that's an issue, it's probably time to come down and see us.
Yeah, and why is your clinic, Wasatch Medical, the best place to go for treatment?
Well, number one, your initial exam assessment and blood flow ultrasound is always free. That's a good way to kind of know where you're at, to see if you are going through ED. Our clinics are staffed with men. Men's health is all that we do, so you won't run into your neighbor getting Botox next door. You know, the discretion is assured. So you can take that step with the confidence that we're here for your health, for men's health.
So this, I mean, it could be an awkward conversation with somebody, right? I mean, so what suggestions would you give to a spouse or a partner to bring it up and suggest an ED treatment?
Well, you know, I think it's a lot of the reason why we do shows like this. We have to get the taboo, get rid of that. Okay. Open up the conversation about ED. If you suspect that your partner is experiencing ED, come from a place of love and just mention it. You know, I'd like more intimacy. I don't see too many guys saying no to that.
Have an honest conversation.
Exactly.
I got you. And it is a good time to do it because you have a special offer for our viewers.
That's right. Plus what I mentioned, we're going to give you the exam assessment and blood flow ultrasound all for free. Plus we give you an additional gift just for coming in. Guys love it. It's worth hundreds of dollars.
It's a surprise, huh?
Plus we'll give you those tune-up treatments for the next few callers. Call us now, and if you see those results start to fade after we treat you, come back in. We'll retreat you for free.
I got you. So where do we go for all the information?
So go to wasatchmedicalclinic.com. Some people aren't quite ready to talk to somebody live on the phone. We have a chat option.
That's cool.
But the best way is to definitely give us a call, 801-901-8000.
That's where you go. Miles, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Take care. See you next time.